After this video, you will never see a Mercedes-Benz as just a car brand again. You may know it only as a car brand, but it has changed automotive technology in many ways. There are also many interesting facts you might not know about Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz, not just a brand. This is where it all began. The birth of the automobile. The first car in the world was built by Carl Benz in 1886. But where does the name Mercedes-Benz come from? The name Mercedes-Benz has two origins. Mercedes was the name of the daughter of Emil Jelinek, a car dealer and racing enthusiast who helped make the brand famous. Benz comes from Carl Benz, the founder of the automobile. The Mercedes-Benz star. The 3 points of the logo symbolize the company's ambition to dominate transportation on land, sea, and air. The first long-distance trip in history took place in 1888, when Bertha Benz, the wife of Carl Benz, became the first woman to drive a car and completed a journey of about 106 kilometers. On January 28, 1938, German racing driver Rudolf Caractola made history. On the Autobahn between Frankfurt and Darmstadt, he reached an astonishing speed of 432.7 kilometers per hour in the specially built Mercedes-Benz W125 record car. The car was powered by a massive supercharged V12 engine producing around 736 horsepower, an engineering achievement far ahead of its time. In the 1930s, Mercedes-Benz began building some of the first armored luxury vehicles designed for political leaders and high-ranking officials. These cars weren't just about transportation. They were built for power, prestige, and protection. Massive in size, with unmatched luxury. They became a symbol of authority and status. Under the hood, a supercharged engine delivered incredible performance, making them some of the most powerful cars of their time. And with armored protection, they set a new standard for safety at the highest level. A woman made history with her Mercedes-Benz. The route covered over 4,600 kilometers across some of the toughest roads in Argentina. One of the world's toughest races, attracting the toughest men, a race with a history of deaths and crashes. Out of more than 250 cars that started, only 43 drivers made it to the end, and one of those drivers made history. The first driver to set an average record speed of 126 kilometers per hour. The first driver to finish 3 hours ahead of everyone, and the first to prove that women could win this race. They said to her, "As a woman, you could never finish," so she finished first and set the record with the Mercedes-Benz 220C. The most expensive car ever sold was auctioned in 2022. It was the Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe, which sold for an astonishing about $143, a world record. 1893 double pivot steering solved crucial steering issues for four-wheeled vehicles, paving the way for modern steering systems. 1978 the introduction of the anti-lock braking system in the S-Class, which is now standard in all modern vehicles. 1981 airbag. Driver airbag becomes production ready and is introduced in the S-Class. 1995 Electronic Stability Program, ESP. Considered one of the most important safety innovations since the airbag. It improves vehicle control in critical driving situations. Now think about this for a second. Many of the safety systems you trust today, like airbags, ABS, and ESP, were found or pushed forward by Mercedes-Benz. Every car must have this on it. Imagine your car without airbags and without ABS. There would be no protection and no control in an emergency, only speed and pure risk. How dangerous would that be? Without Mercedes-Benz technology, there would be nothing. It doesn't matter if you love or hate it. Part of what's in your car today was found by Mercedes-Benz. What else do you know about Mercedes-Benz? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd really appreciate your feedback. It helps me improve my videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.